This is not your typical one-story home. Come check out this home located in Old Zaluta subdivision. This is a great neighborhood with sidewalks and other amenities. This lovely home is in move-in condition with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and formal dining are just the beginning. Kitchen features large countertops and lots of cabinet space. Eat-in area overlooks the backyard and it all flows into the huge family room. The owner bath includes garden tub and separate shower. Enjoy the beautiful community pool with clubhouse and playground while being minutes from Lake Murray Dam and beach area. This is a must-see. Call me today to schedule a private showing.